Now we're getting ready to cross the bridge, and there's basically this one path when you are going to your room, going to the restaurants, going to the beach. It's one way in, one way out. And I want to show this to you in real time so you can see how long it takes to get to the beach or the pool area. There's nice, cute little signs that you'll see along the way. And again, it's covered. Even if it rains, you don't get rained on a lot. On both sides of the path are the rooms. So you have the odd number buildings on the left. So 1, 3, and 5. And then on the right side, the even number rooms, 2, 4, and 6. So if you are looking for a garden view, this is the view that you're going to receive. Now, I like the second floor. So we have the privileged deluxe room. And I like the second floor because the coyote can't come in. So they do say lock your doors because the coyote will open your doors and try to get into your room and get your fruit and snacks. But sometimes you just gotta capture a moment and make it eternal. So as we're walking, we do see the coyote a lot, and everyone says they're not dangerous, but they do carry rabies and worms and things like that. So I just try to stay as far away as possible. Hello. Nice, cute little signs. Now I'm coming up on the love hearts. So with the love hearts, you can buy them in the gift shop for $20, and you can also get them inscribed. But I say bring one from home and try to sneak it in there, because if you don't come back, you just spent $20. Or if you do come back, you can try and find the lock that you added. See right here, someone brought in their own inscribed lock. But with the love hearts, you can have it inscribed as well. So yeah, just makes your love last a little bit longer. Now that's the first stop for the love hearts. A little bit further down, there's a bigger area of the love hearts, especially for those individuals who've been here a lot. As you're walking, you'll also see there's directions for the restaurants, for the lobby, for the beach. So you'll be able to find where you need to go. At nighttime, this area is lit up a little bit with lights, so it's not too dark. And you can see that there's places for you to sit if you want to hang out. Again, bring your bug spray so you don't get bit by these bugs. Now, I do want to say that the food here leaves a little to be desired, but you can find something that you may like. See, now this is the bigger love hearts, and the hearts that are above, these individuals have their names on it because they've been here for a while. So you could definitely find a spot to put your heart on, or the lock that you have. These people even have a little note that they've added.